Unboxing po tayo ngayon mga ka-umami. Pero ito ay isang klase na naman ng pagkain. Buksan natin. At bigay po pala ng ating kapitbahay. Merong binigay ang aking asawa na pasalubong sa kanila. At umalis din pala sila. Kaya meron din po silang pasalubong. Ay! Wow! Para siyang Vietnam rolls, Daddy. So we have parang sausage. Ay, ano to? It's a kind of dahon. Ito yata yung dahon na ayaw ko na maamoy, Daddy. Is this the vegetable with strong smell? Ay. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin. How about this? Ano ito? Let's see. Diba? Nag-unboxing tayo pero pagkain pa rin. Ah! It's just a lettuce. Lettuce. Are these already clean?
Yes.
We have garlic and green chili. Okay. Ay, wow! Unripe saging? Unripe banana? We eat this unripe? Really? Hilaw na saging. So we have cucumber, mango, hilaw na mangga, na mukhang napaka-asim. Hilaw na saging. Super hilaw, bubot na bubot. Ah, ito yung parang wrapper po nila for Vietnam roll. And we have the sauce. What's this? I think it's peanut. Ay, what's this, Ade? Nam Nuang sauce. So, what, this is the name of this food? Nam Nuang?
Nam Nuang.
Nam Nuang Nem, lah?
Nam
Nuang. Okay. So, nahugasan na po natin ang mga gulay-gulay. Unahin ko na ang bawang. Babalatan lang po natin at ika-cut into 2 parts. At pati po yung sili, slice lang po natin ng ganyan. Next po ang cucumber. Babalatan lang natin. At slice lang po natin ng kalahati. Parang pang salad lang. Susunod naman ang hilaw na saging. Ayan, first time ko pong kakain ng hilaw na saging. Babalatan lang po natin ganyan. At gagayahin lang po natin yung pipino. Ganyan. Hindi kaya mangitim ito, Daddy. Slice natin ng ganyan. Ganyan. Exciting. Susunod po ay mangga. Yung isang pisngi lang po ang kukunin natin. So, yung nasa kahon po ay balimbing. In the picture from the box, Daddy, they have the star fruit, no?
Yes.
But they don't have. Baka wala bang bunga yung kanilang balimbing, kaya mangga na lang. Ayan. May balimbing po siya. Gayahin na lang natin yung pagkakaslice ng ating cucumber.
Okay.
At meron po tayong dalawang klase ng sauce. Lalagay ko na lang daw lahat pagsasama-samahin. Are you sure they are together, Daddy?
Yes.
I think this is a
spicy,
the chili. Together like that. Mukhang maanghang. And also peanut. Mukhang masarap. We need to mix it. Ayan, so hahaluin lang po natin. Ang bango ka, umami. Okay. Ayan. Ganyan po yung itsura niya. So, tikman natin. So, what we gonna do next? Kanitig nam, chamay. Ito po yung wrapper natin. Ay, matigas. Ganyan siya. Dalawa pala. Wait. Daddy, hold it. Ayan, isaw-saw po natin sa tubig. Daddy, you do first. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
Show me, show me.
ใส่ในน้ำ
Isaw-saw po natin sa tubig.
Water.
Dip in the water. Until soft.
Yeah, until soft.
Ayan, soft na.
แต่ว่าใกล้แล้วใกล้ soft แล้ว
Medyo matagal. Okay, saw-saw ko na rin yung sa akin. Saw-saw. And then?
แล้วก็แหนมนี่
Nem. Buo. Isa na. Kinabahan ako baka maubos agad. Okay, 1 piece.
แล้วก็ผักอันนี้
At ito yung gulay po na hindi ko masyadong, hindi ko talaga gusto mga ka-mami. Ang tapang po ng amoy. I don't know if I can try this. I want to try without this first time,
ต้องใส่ให้หมดสิจะได้อร่อย
Yeah, I want to try without. Kalimutan ko yung
แล้ว
cover.
ก็ใส่ผักลงไป
Okay.
เนี่ยใส่กาลิกลงไป
Garlic,
กาลิก
chili,
กล้วย
yung banana. First time ko pong kumain ng hilaw na banana. Mango. Dapat daw po sana ay balimbing, cucumber.
Okay.
And the
But
sauce.
today we don't have ขนมจีน
Opo. Kailangan meron siyang kanumchin or yung rice noodle.
No, I forgot chili.
Chili. The important. Okay.
Yeah, ใส่น้ำจิ้ม
Parang ang dami. No need to roll. Ba't hindi mo na mabalot dahil sa sobrang dami?
ใส่เลย
I think we need to rolling.
ใช่ แต่ว่ามันใหญ่ไงก็เลยโรลลิ่งไม่ได้
So, sobrang dami, hindi na po ma-roll. Okay. Try it. And
Yeah.
tell me how is it.
ก็แค่กินเข้าไปนี่
Parang ang sarap. Try natin. Ngay, kanya nga. Nandito po yung aming little monkey. Why? Ayan. I can put this vegetable only one piece maybe. Ayan, sili. Baka sobrang anghang nito dati, ah. And the sauce. How about the sauce? Is it spicy?
อร่อย
Ayan. Ay, nabalot ko yung sa akin. Okay. It should be like this, daddy, oh.
ใช่
Ayan. Ayan, ang cute. Siomai. Let's try it.
ไงอร่อยใช่ไหมล่ะ เมื่อกี้ได้ใส่ผักนี่ไหม
I like this one.
ฉันชอบ
Hindi ko po gusto ito.
มาไอไลท์หอมมาก
But I like this. Ang sarap.
ใช่
Ang sarap po ng sausage. Is it pork or chicken or?
ติ้งกอกนะ ใช่ไหม เหมือนรสชาติเหมือนหมูยอเลย
Mm.
แล้วก็กูดคอมบิเนชันบานาน่า
Yeah. Yung banana po niya hindi
Banana
mapakula.
แมงโก้ชิลลี
Huli ko na nguya yung sili. Ang laki. Maanghang siya daddy.
กระเทียม
I like it.
sarap ตอนไหนอีก
Maanghang po yung
cucumber
sili. But
มา
I want to cut the sili na mas maliit.
ว้าว
Kasi napakaanghang po niya. Okay.
อืม
Wow. Ayan. Ganyan lang kaliit daddy. And the garlic also, I want to cut the smaller, ano.
อืม
Ang anghang. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, no? Yummy. I like the sauce. Okay. Let's try again one more time. Ang dapat marami tayong kumakain ganito.
อืม
Kasi ang dami po niya. Masarap. Ito pong combination ng sili or the sauce, it's like sweet. Yung sauce kanina na nilagay natin, parang matamis na mang tumas. Ayan.
เว้ย
Ang anghang na sili. Kahit it's smaller, smaller daddy. Ang anghang po niya.
เผ็ดเหมือนกันนะเนี่ย
Kahit ikaw na anghangan mo.
กูดคอมบิเนชันเลยมี
Yeah.
มีเปรี้ยว May
Merong
fat.
maasim-asim, merong mapakla-pakla, and yen-yen, malamig-lamig,
อืม
crunchy-crunchy, at ito ayoko
Hom-hom.
mabango-bango, pork.
อืม
Pero kasi baka kapag hindi ko sinubukan, baka kulang yung lasa niya, kaya kailangan lagyan natin talaga, kahit isa lang. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung ating balat. I like it. Diba? Ang babait po ng aming mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Lettuce.
I can do it.
Pangit pa rin ng cover mo dad, ng balot mo daddy. Ayan. Ayoko na maglagay ng sili. Ay, lagyan natin. Baka kasi kulangin po yung flavor. Ayan. Mango. Pakla. Cucumber. And the sauce. Daddy, give me the leaf, only one. Hindi ko siya gusto, pero kailangan ko po siyang gustuhin para sumarap yung kinakain natin, diba? Ganon. Ay. Ang laki. This one is big. Ayan, hindi ko na-achieve yung balot.
อร่อยมาก
Second bite.
You don't need to soak long time. No need to soak long time. It will soak later.
Habang umuya, magbabad ka na. Nahulog kanina.
I will don't put chili แล้ว อีกอะไรไม่รู้เผ็ดมาก
Ayaw na daw niya sa sili, ang anghang.
Very มังงัง
Ang anghang nga. You need to add sili, dapat salitan yung paglalagay ng sili. Wow. Masarap po siya. I like it. At ang sarap ng lettuce, ha? Crunchy ang lettuce. Pork. So what part of Thailand this come from? Pasalubong lang po sa amin, galing na po sa probinsya.
This is Vietnam food.
So it is actually a Vietnam food na parang fusion of Thai or na-adapt nila, something like that.
Vietnam food we call Nam Nuong.
So ano po kaya ang tawag nito sa Vietnam sa mga nakakain na po ng Vietnam food or nakapunta na ng Vietnam? Ayoko yung dahon na mabango, pero ayoko din namang hindi lagyan. Baka po kasi hindi kumpleto yung lasa, 'di ba? Para malaman natin kung ano yung talagang lasa, kailangan kumpletuhin natin. Mahirap lang po siyang balitan. I think we need to add a slice smaller. Dapat smaller slice po siya. No, it's difficult to eat.
No, no need to cover all.
No?
Just for no leakage. And can input in your mouth.
Sarap.
Alright.
Ang sarap po ng sauce at ng pork. Let it cut it.
นี่กินเล่นก็ได้นะ กินเล่นเฉยๆก็ได้ อร่อย
Pwede daw pong pangpapak. Masarap po siya.
นี่อร่อยที่สุดเลย
No, I like it. What if just eat with cup soda?
ได้ ได้หมดแหละ
So pwede daw pala hindi kumpletuhin.
ว่าดีกว่าต้องกินกับนี้เนาะ
Yeah.
ยังนี้จะอร่อยกว่า
With wrapper is better.
แล้วก็ it's like best combination
Yeah. Perfect combination.
yes
Just like when we charot. I want to add more chili again dahil nawawala-wala na ang anghang. And garlic.
เนี่ยแค่นี้
Oy, parang I think I like this leaves na.
Siya.
Parang nagugustuhan ko na po yung leaves.
I told you อร่อย
Diba? Kapag hindi natin sinubukan, hindi na natin siya gugustuin. Forever. Kailangan natin itong i-try. Para malaman natin kung anong lasa kailangan natin subukan, di ba? Lagi ko pong sinasabi sa inyo. Ang cute, parang lumpiang hubad. Do we need to feel it?
แคนเพราะว่าอร่อย
We eat dinner. Sayang nag-dinner po kami. Kung inagahan sana yung bigay, hindi kami nag-dinner.
แคเล็กชิลีอะแก
Pwede.
มะม่วง บานาน่า
Ang anghang po ng
บานา
sili
น่า
talaga.
แตง
So, pwede palang kainin ang banana.
แล้วก็ผัก
I want to try with lettuce only and banana, Daddy.
yeah right
Try natin na hindi kompleto. If not complete, not masarap. Hindi sa original kapag hindi kompleto.
ต้องใส่ทุกอย่างนะถึงอร่อย
Yeah, if not complete. Lalo na kung natikman mo na kompleto. Kasi una kong sinubukan ng kompleto. Ala, nakaka-addict po siya. Hindi, ang hirap, hindi ayaw. Hintuan. Like, I don't want to stop na. Aray maga.
ใช่เหมือนกัน
Pag naumpisahan mo, parang hindi mo na po kayang tigilan. Banana. Banana.
โอเค
Kalot.
เอาบานาน่าเยอะ
Chay!
ๆอร่อย
Pag maraming pakla-pakla, mas masarap po siya. And, oh, my pork. Okay, my pork.
ม่วง
Okay. Bawasan natin. Salt. Ang dito sauce.
มา โอเค
Dito mahirap yung pagsubo. Cheers! Ang sarap! Ang sarap. Ayoko na ng balot. I don't want to eat this anymore because I'm full.
Yeah. I eat only one. I also full.
No, last na, no?
We dinner already.
Nag-dinner po kasi kami. And then they just give this. Kararating lang nila. Eh, kailangan ubusin. Or kainin na agad kasi fresh veggies. Yan. Ang mga kapitbahay po kasi namin, alam nila na we do mukbang. That's why they love to give us mga kakaibang mga food. Because they are watching our mukbangs, diba? Ang sarap na may top fan ng kapitbahay. Last bite ka, umami. This is my last bite. How about you? Oh, laki.
Nhảy mập. That's by.
But I want this more. Your power. Sarap. Galing, no?
Và สียดายกินเล่น
Hindi pa last bite. Anghang. So yun lang mga kamami, sobrang anghang ang sili. At kung natuwa po kayo sa video, paki-share naman. At kung alam nyo ang ganitong pagkain, ano po ang tawag. At kung nakatikim na ba kayo, ayan. Thank you for watching!